y'all. Hey, so today we are getting a car wash. She's so nosy, y'all. She happy to get a car wash. Observing every people. Tell them, hey, what's up, guys? How are y'all doing today? I decided to bring my car to get a car wash because it has been a minute, and the doggy wanted to come along with me, so I let her. Right now, child, she is eating something on this ground. Get up. Comment down below and let me know what y'all doing today. She going from side to side, literally. She did now being a good girl. Good girl. It's just me and my doggy. 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 It's just me and my doggy.